Discord cache is a collection of temporary files that Discord stores on your computer to improve performance. These files can include things like images, videos, and audio files that you have recently viewed or sent. However, over time, the cache can become cluttered and cause Discord to run slowly or even crash. Close Discord. Press Windows + R to open the Run dialog box. Type %appdata%\discord and press Enter. Delete the following folders: cache, code cache, GPU cache. Thanks for watching this video. I hope help you.